Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon Prime Video watch history. This is incredibly useful if you want to review what you've been watching, pick up where you left off, or even clear your viewing activity for privacy reasons. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you're logged in, you'll be on the Amazon homepage where you can access all of Amazon's different services. Now, look to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says All with 3 horizontal lines next to it, kind of like a menu icon. Click on that All button. This opens up Amazon's main navigation menu, which gives you access to everything from shopping categories to digital services. From this menu, locate and click on Prime Video. You might see it listed under the Digital Content and Devices section. After clicking it, you'll be presented with another option that says Prime Video again. Select that to be taken directly to the Prime Video platform. This is where all your streaming content lives, separate from the main Amazon shopping experience. Once you're in Prime Video, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar or icon displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your Prime Video account. From that drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This is your hub for managing everything related to your Prime Video preferences, playback settings, and viewing activity. The page might take a moment to load as it pulls up your account information. Finally, look at the top menu on the Account and Settings page. You'll see several tabs, including things like Profiles, Parental Controls, and others. Click on the Watch History tab. This will display a complete list of everything you've watched on Prime Video, organized chronologically. From here, you can review your viewing activity and even remove specific titles from your history if you choose to. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Amazon Prime Video watch history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.